Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert any video into a live photo on your iPhone. So let's start. First let me show you the video I want to convert into a live photo. I want to convert this one. There are many apps to convert a video into a live photo. I'll use TikTok in this video. And let me show you how you can do it. Now open the TikTok app and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now select the video you want to convert. Now tap next. If you want to trim it, then do it now, and then tap next again. And then tap next again. Now tap on post, and the video will be uploaded. When the video is uploaded, it will automatically start playing. Now tap on three dots on right hand side and tap on live photo. And after converting, the photo will be saved to your photos. Now close the app and open photos. And here you will see the live photo. Now if you long press on the photo, you will see that it is live. And that's how you can convert a video into a live photo on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.